चल दिए तुम कहाँ पे, देखो यहाँ के रास्तों में ही दिल खो रहा है। चल दिए तुम कहाँ पे, देखो मुस्कुरा के आँखों में।
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a beautiful kurta and pant set using simple sewing pattern. Whether you are a beginner or someone who loves sewing as a hobby, this step-by-step tutorial will help you to stitch and finish your outfit like a pro. First, cut the pant, kurta and sleeves pattern along the outline. Then take a blank paper of the same size and trace the pattern. Don't forget to trace the lower inner shoulder line as well. That's for the back pattern. Once you cut it out, your back kurta pattern is ready. Now take the printed pattern and cut out the deeper armhole and the deeper neckline, and there you have it. Your front kurta pattern is ready. For the pants, first trace the outline pattern onto the blank paper and cut it out. This will be your back pant pattern. Now take the printed pattern and cut along the upper slant line and the inner side line. This will be your front pant pattern. For the sleeves, first cut out the outlined sleeve pattern, then take another paper of the same length but double the width. Fold the paper in half and place the pattern along the straight folded edge. Trace the pattern, cut it out and open it up. Now use the printed pattern to cut a deeper line. Then on one side of the paper, make a deeper cut according to the pattern. This side will be the front sleeve, the other side will remain as the back sleeve. Now let's start by making the front neckline. For this, draw a straight line in the middle of the front neck pattern 9 inches long. On both sides of this line, mark 0.5 inches for the width, and at the bottom create an inverted V shape. Cut along the middle line and the inverted V shape. To finish the neckline, prepare a canvas strip that's 1 inch width and 20 inches long. Fold both sides of the strip first by 0.5 inches, then fold it again at 1 inch. Attach the strip to the neckline by stop stitching along the open side. Once attached, fold the strip from the bottom to create an arrow-like shape and top stitch it to secure. Finish both sides of the neckline using the neckline pattern. Follow the same steps to finish the back neckline. Next, finish the bottom of the kurti by double folding it by 0.5 inches. For the front, add lace on both sides, leaving 1 inch from the armhole down to the bottom. Also add lace along the edge of the bottom hem. Now join the shoulders and attach the sleeves. Fold the sleeves in half to find the middle and align it with the shoulder seam. Check that the sleeves fit properly. If there's any extra fabric, trim it. Attach the sleeves by stitching the left sleeve to the left side of the kurta and right to the right. For the sleeve hem, fold it by 0.5 inches and add lace. Then mark 21 inches from the shoulder down. This is the hip line. Sew the sides of the kurta up to this point from the hip line to the bottom. Create slits by double folding and stitching, and there you have it. Your kurta is ready. Let's move on to the pants. For this, we have 2 front pieces and 2 back pieces. First, we'll attach the gusset or romali to each piece. Start by taking one gusset and placing it right side facing right side of the front piece. Stitch it along one side carefully, ensuring the edges are aligned. Then take the other front piece and place it right side facing right side of the gusset of the other piece which we already sewed, and stitch it on the other side. This will attach the gusset neatly between the 2 front pieces. Repeat the same process for the back pieces, attaching the gusset in the same way. Once the gusset is attached, and remember the gusset is optional, you can skip this step, okay. Then we'll sew the inseam. After that, we'll finish the bottom of the pant. Start by folding the hem by 0.5 inches and stitching it. Then fold it again by 1 inch and sew it in place. This will give a clean and professional finish to the pant legs. I am using a canvas tape here to reinforce the hem. It's optional but adds durability and a neat look to the edges. If you did like, you can skip this step. Now let's prepare the waistband. First, make sure both sides of the pants are even. If you find any excess fabric, trim it down to ensure the sides align perfectly. Press the front seams in opposite directions. This small step will make inserting the drawstring much easier later on. After that, fold the top edge of the pants by 0.5 inches, ensuring the fold is even and neat. Now get your elastic ready for this project. We'll use a 1 inch wide elastic, and the length will be your waist measurement minus 4 inches. Overlap the ends of the elastic and sew them together, and sew the elastic by pulling method in pants. Once the elastic is in place, pull it gently as you sew the waistband to distribute the fabric evenly. Use a top stitch to secure the elastic. Stitch about 0.25 inches from the top edge and again 0.25 inches from the bottom edge of the waistband for a neat finish. Now, if you want to add a drawstring for extra style, here you can do it. Take a piece of fabric that's 1 inch in width and twice the length of your waist measurement. Fold and sew it to create a neat drawstring. Next, locate the front seam of the waistband that we prepared earlier. Using a safety pin or a large needle, thread the drawstring through the seam opening and guide it all the way around the waistband until it comes out on the other side. Adjust the drawstring so both sides are even and you are done.